Guys, this weekend only, I'm going to do something special. For those of you who have downloaded the Pete and Pedro app, or if you haven't, there's a link around here somewhere to go do it now. I want to do an app exclusive deal. You can only get this deal if you have the app, all right? So download it now. What you're going to get is the body bar plus the amazing natural deodorant for wait, $18. Gentlemen, the regular price of this, are you kidding me, is like $28. That's literally like 40% off to smell amazing, and bonus, not jack up your testosterone and endocrine system, because both of these are aluminum-free, paraffin-free, sulfite-free, basically everything that's bad for your body and your testosterone, it doesn't have in it, because I built these two products for me. You are gonna love them. The scent is a fresh, light eucalyptus spearmint. And the body bar also smells like eucalyptus spearmint, but this bad boy is infused with oat bran, not to mention pumice, to make sure that you exfoliate your skin so that it's soft. But then we've also infused it with olive oil, not to mention shea butter, so that your skin is soft, sexy, and supple. Gentlemen, this weekend only, you gotta download the app. It is around here somewhere, the link. Go do it so you can grab this for $18.